Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we've got a big boy from Wuben to check out. This is the X1 Pro. Now, I say big boy because you're definitely not going to pocket this light at all. It does come with a belt holster. If you prefer to carry it that way, we'll check that out here in a little bit. But definitely one I see more as a car, home, bag type of light. Pretty much standard construction, aluminum body going on. Now, this one is run. Push up to unlock. There you go. Right there. Two 21700 batteries. Now, that is what's going to add to the weight of this one. You've got 5 emitters. You've got your spotlight emitter here, which is an XHP 50.3 HI. You've got your 4 flood emitters, XHP 50.3 HD LEDs. Now, selector switch, you can select between spotlight mode, spot and flood, or just flood with these 3. Side switch operated right here. Press and hold for your ultra low or moonlight. Press and hold to cycle through. Double press for a very, very bright spotlight. Now, spot and lumen combined, you're looking at 12,300 lumens. This thing puts out a lot of light. Now, a very interesting aspect to this flashlight is, yes, it's going to put out a lot of light, which is also probably going to put out a lot of heat. This has a fan on it. This is the first time I've seen a flashlight with an actual cooling fan on it. Now, when your temperature rises, the fan automatically comes on and it'll run for 5 minutes even after the temperature drops. Now, let's see if I can get it to do it. If you press this button 5 times, the fan will turn on. So let's see if we can do it. Can you hear it? That's the fan running. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that is pretty wild. And 5 clicks will turn your fan off. I thought that was a pretty wild aspect. Like I said, the first time I've had a flashlight that actually has a cooling fan on it. So you're looking at a maximum beam distance of 377 meters. This is pretty wild. So what we're going to do is, well, let's do our spec check real quick. We'll get our spec check out of the way, then we'll go outside and play around with it a little bit. So it's just, I'm going to say just shy of 5.5 inches. Width-wise, you're looking at its widest point, probably about 2.25 inches. And then this is probably one of the biggest aspects. Well, it's just overall size. I was going to say this aspect, but you're looking at weight, you're looking at almost 13 ounces. Size-wise, yeah, I doubt you're going to carry this in your pocket, but they do give you the belt. So, let's take the X1 outside and see exactly what it can do, what that 12,300 lumens looks like when we turn it on. All right, be right back. All right, so we got the X1 Pro out here. There we go. Now we're in spot mode. So we're going to check out each mode. Spot mode, low, or ultra low, moonlight. Ooh, that gets bright. Definitely, we've got some flood going on, but it's definitely more of a spotlight. There we go, we're reaching out to the end of the yard. High. And turbo. That's putting on, I mean, it's got a decent amount of flood to it as well. What if I can play with it long enough to get the fan to going? It's kind of cool out here too tonight, so. The lilac is blooming. Nice. So, that's what we can do. So now, I'm going to switch to flood. There you go. There's your moonlight. Your low. Definitely more diffused. Reaching out to the yard. There's high. Definitely got some flood going on. And turbo. Definitely see the difference in the two. Now, I'm going to turn it off. And we're going to go to both. There we go. We've definitely got our spot back. Oh yeah, I think we're already seeing a difference. Reaching out. Medium. High. Oh yeah, we're definitely... As you can see, you've got that hot spot. It's kind of a diffused hot spot, but it's definitely there. We've got all of our flood going on. And all right, here's your 12,300. So, there's flood. There's both. And there's spot. Definitely see the difference. Now, you tell me, does going from flood to flood and spot make that much of a difference in your coverage? I mean, you do have your hot spot there, but... Oh, the fan's running. Can you hear it? Nice, the fan turned on. Very cool. And it's warm, but it's not that bad. Cool. All right. Well, we reached temperature on the light, and we've saw all our beam patterns. So, right on. Mission accomplished. Let's go back upstairs. So, what you guys think? I mean, 12,300 lumens. It's putting out a decent amount of light. Now, I didn't have it out there long enough for the fan to turn on. It does produce some heat. I mean, you're putting out that much energy. It is going to create some heat, but I thought the fan aspect was pretty wild. I don't know. Call me crazy, but as you can see, this is what the X1 comes with. The X1 Pro, excuse me. You've got extra screws. Thank goodness. Thank goodness, because if I had to deal with screws that small, oh my goodness, I would lose them. You do have a lanyard cable. Now, the lanyard, but the one thing I did kind of notice is there's no charging cable. Now, good thing, bad thing, I'll let you decide that there's no charging cable. I will tell you a standard USB-C charger works. That's what I used. Obviously, because it doesn't come with one. You know, I got cables everywhere. So, you know, I'm not too heartbroken about it. Standard USB-C will work. Now, there is the belt sheath that I said it come with. I've got it put on already. Now this will rotate. You can carry it however you want. It does have a hook and loop to kind of tighten it up, loosen it up. I mean, it pops out pretty easily. It goes in fairly easily as well. So if you would decide to belt carry it, that's pretty much how you're going to do it. Now, like I said, for me, it is just too heavy. And to have on my belt, it's definitely too big, too heavy to pocket carry. Definitely home bag or a car type light. Now, coming in $140, that's what they're selling for. And They do also have this sort of universal mounting bracket that you can also pick up. They just sent this along as well, but you can mount it to a bicycle, tripod, light stand, something like that. So just another option if you want to use it in one of those aspects as well. So X1 Pro from Wuben, guys, another big light, not necessarily pocketable, but definitely is going to put out a lot of light. So again, thanks so much to Wuben for sending out the X1 Pro to check out. Greatly appreciate it. If you want to check it out further, there'll be a link down below. Feel free. As always, guys, greatly appreciate it. You guys stopping by and checking it out with me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.